They are the gadgets that defy the law, challenge the authorities, and thrill the rebels. These are the gadgets that you are not supposed to have, but you can still find them if you know where to look. They are the forbidden tech, and in this episode, we'll reveal 10 banned gadgets that will blow your mind and make you wonder why they are outlawed in the first place. But be warned, some of these gadgets are dangerous, illegal, or both. Watch at your own risk because this is a forbidden tech. Security tags are devices that are attached to merchandise in stores to prevent theft. If a special device at the checkout counter does not remove them, they typically have a metal pin and a plastic casing that can set off an alarm. However, there is a gadget that can remove security tags without the need for any special device. It's called a security tag magnet remover. This gadget is a powerful magnet that can pull out the metal pin from the plastic casing and detach the security tag from the item. It's designed to work on most types of security tags, such as ink tags, spider tags, and hard tags. It's also small and discreet, making it easy to conceal and use. However, this gadget is not only illegal but also dangerous. It can damage electronic devices, credit cards, and other magnetic items if placed near them. And most importantly, it can get you in trouble with the law if you are caught using it or even owning it. Stealing from stores is a serious crime that can result in fines, jail time, or both, so don't do it. This gadget is for informational purposes only, and we do not condone or encourage theft in any way. You may think that your car is safe and secure with your key, but what if someone could duplicate your key without your knowledge? That's what a car key grabber can do. A car key grabber is a device that can record and copy the radio signal from your car's remote control. When you press the button to lock or unlock your car, the device saves the signal and keeps it in its memory. Then, the thief can use the device to open and close your car as if they had your original key. This way, they can take your car or anything inside it without leaving any evidence or triggering any alarm. Car key grabbers are illegal and dangerous devices that can expose your vehicle to theft. They are also hard to spot and stop as they can work from afar and on different kinds of cars. And I found that it can be purchased online, but I will not leave the link for this one for obvious reasons. Have you ever wished to record a video secretly without anyone noticing? Well, there is a gadget that can help you do that. It's called a Lawmate clip camera. This gadget is a tiny video camera that looks like a regular tie clip. You can clip it to your tie or shirt and record high-resolution video with crisp picture quality. It's simple to use and set up, and no one will suspect that you are recording them. But be careful, this gadget is highly illegal and can get you sued or arrested if you are caught using it or even owning it. It's also unethical and immoral to record people without their consent or knowledge. A license plate flipper is a device that allows you to rotate or flip between two different plates with the push of a button. It can be installed on any vehicle and works in seconds. It's like having two cars in one. With a license plate flipper, you can change your identity on the road whenever you want. This is something that you could see only in the movies. But before you rush to buy one, you should know that license plate flippers are not legal in most states and countries. It is considered a form of fraud and deception. So if you want to create a cool video in a controlled environment, then you should probably be fine. Otherwise, you probably don't need it. Multipick Kronos is a powerful electric lockpick gun that can open almost any lock in seconds. It is easy to use and works on any door or car. It is also lightweight and portable, so you can carry it with you anywhere. It works by vibrating a picking needle that inserts into the lock and manipulates the pins inside. It has a very finely adjustable amplitude peak that allows you to control the force and speed of the vibration. It also has a quick battery change system that lets you replace the battery without losing power. With this device, you can unlock your door or car without causing any damage or leaving any traces. You can also use it for emergency situations or professional purposes. But before you rush to buy one, you should know that Multipick Kronos is not legal in some states and countries. It is considered a form of bypassing security and violating privacy. If you use it for criminal activities or unauthorized access, you could face legal consequences. Night vision goggles are devices that allow users to see in low light or dark conditions. They create an image on a screen or lens by making the light stronger or by using infrared light. The military and police frequently use them for tasks like navigating, keeping an eye on things, and finding people in dark places. Some experts also say that using night vision goggles for a long time can make your eyes tired and strained. Even though night vision goggles can be helpful, they can also be unethical and cause health problems. There have been reports of night vision goggles being used to invade people's privacy and violate their rights. Some countries have even banned their use due to these reasons. Have you ever wanted to erase all your files and data from your old computer before selling it or throwing it away? Well, there is a device that claims to do just that. This is a small USB device that plugs into your computer and runs a program that overwrites your hard drive with random data multiple times. It promises to permanently erase all your data beyond recovery by any tool or software. Sounds amazing, right? But wait, before you rush to buy this device, you should know that it is not as simple as it seems. In fact, this device is banned or forbidden in some countries or situations. Why? Because it can also be used for malicious purposes, such as destroying evidence or sabotaging systems. It can also damage your computer or cause other problems if not used properly. However, this device is available to purchase freely online. GSM Jammer is a device that can block or interfere with mobile phone signals within a certain range. It works by emitting radio waves that match the frequency bands used by GSM networks. By doing so, it creates a dead zone where no phone calls or messages can be made or received. But why would anyone want to use such a device? Well, some people might use it for privacy reasons, such as preventing unwanted calls or tracking, and some might use it for fun or prank reasons, such as annoying other people or creating chaos. However, a GSM jammer is also a forbidden gadget in many countries because it can also cause serious problems and dangers for other people, like disrupting emergency services such as police, ambulances, and others, putting many lives at risk. Keychain knives are small knives that can be attached to your keychain or carried in your pocket. They are usually designed for everyday tasks such as opening boxes, cutting ropes, peeling fruits, and so on. However, keychain knives are also forbidden gadgets in some countries or situations because they can also pose potential risks and dangers for yourself and others. The SRTYH listening device is a spy ear amplifier bug that can detect sounds through walls and floors. It is a small device that can be attached to a wall or floor and amplify the sounds coming from the other side. It can also record the sounds and store them on a memory card. This gadget is banned in some places because it violates the privacy and security of others. It can be used to eavesdrop on conversations, spy on activities, or steal secrets. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos of various tech and gadget reviews. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.